Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech vlog and tech unboxing for a 4-hour video for today. So we're going to unbox this brand new phone from Redmi. So for 2026, they are launching the Redmi Note 15. So coming soon yan, this month of January. So abangan ninyo, no, we're going to make a lot of content about this phone at I'm very excited to try it na rin din. So what we are waiting for, let's unbox the Redmi Note 15 right now. Alright, unbox na natin to. Let's do this. Alright, so that's our unboxing of the Redmi Note 15. So abangan nyo yung more content, no? We're going to post some more details about this phone. Kailan ang availability niya here in the Philippines? Magkano SRP? May mga kasama bang freebies? At ano bang mga performance ng camera na to? We're going to test it. But I heard para matibay daw to eh. So ayun, thank you guys for watching. So kita-kit tayo sa next video and we're going to, showcase more of the Redmi Note 15 here in my YouTube channel. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, Redmi Note 15 2026. Alright.